Want to keep your photos, pictures, and videos private on your Android phone? Here's how to do that. So first of all, you're to open up your gallery. After that, let's tap on the Albums tab at the bottom. Now, let's tap on the plus icon to create a new album. So in this pop-up menu, choose Album. And now let's type down a name to this album. I'm gonna use Hidden just to coordinate through them with ease. However, you may use any name. It doesn't really matter. Let's press create. And now let's add up some items to our album. So I'm gonna add them through recents. So choose the desired items which you want to add there. After that, press done at the top right corner. And in this pop-up menu, make sure to choose move option. Other than, if you're gonna choose other options, it's not gonna work. So press move. Great. Now in our albums tab, tap on the three dots at the top right corner once again and press hide albums. Now locate our album which is desired to be hidden and simply tap on the switch near it. As you see, it's gone. Those pictures are not its recents. They are nowhere to be found. To bring it back, once again, tap on the three dots, hide albums, turn off the switch near it, and the pictures are gonna be back. However, they're gonna be back to everywhere. So keep that in mind and let's hide it again. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.